I want to say I get this question all the time, but I really don't. But I'm looking online like everybody else, and I'm seeing what people are posting. And my videos, I try to do them about real estate inventory, what's happening in the market, what buyers and sellers need to watch out for, the things that are most important to those people that happen to be involved in real estate. Not so much from the agent perspective, but I do videos on that too because there are so many people out there telling you how they're going to help you increase your business, how 99% of the agents are doing this one thing, how you need to be doing this in order to increase your ROI, your return on investment, your bottom line, to try to get more clients, more listings, more buyers. And that's great. There's a lot of that out there. In fact, there's way too much of it out there. And in fact, most of that the agents could be doing themselves. Let's talk about content creation. You might see I put one or two videos up all the time, every day, day in and day out. I have different video formats for different cities. I talk about the different values, the different market trends, things that are upcoming, things that have been in the past, just to give some kind of reference. So I have plenty of video topics to talk about. So when I do more than, sometimes I'll use a script. Today I don't use a script. Today I'm just talking to you, Connor, with you. But if you're looking at somebody that says they got an award or they've been featured in some magazine as some fantastic agent or the number one or whatever it may be, maybe they got an award or a trophy because they do more content than anybody else. Whatever it may be, look at the source and where these awards are coming from. More than likely, you're going to find out that these are local businesses that have built a platform in order to attract agents. And they'll go to the agents and they'll say, listen, I know how you can increase your business. And then they themselves have a business that would really be helpful if the agent would refer clients to them. Maybe it's insurance. Maybe it's a lender. Maybe it's an escrow company. Maybe it's something else. But that's how the mechanism works. So if you're in real estate, then you are going to be falling prey to a lot of people that want to get your business. And that's fine. Maybe you have a great insurance person. I do. Maybe you have a great lender. I do. Maybe you have a great property manager and you don't do property management as an agent. I do. Maybe you have a great content creator or whatever it may be. Great. What you want to do, though, is you want to vet these people coming to you and asking you to assign yourself with them, putting your name on their brand if they have a bad reputation, if they're basically smoke and mirrors, if nobody trusts them. Attaching yourself, hitching your trailer to them is going to create a problem in your business. Here's what I always say. I was a cop for a very long time. There was a lot of places when I was brand new, early 1990s, that cops didn't pay for a lot of things. So you would go to a place and let's say you smoke cigarettes, sometimes the gas station cat would give you the pack for free. Is it right or wrong? You be the judge. But if a cop was really worth their salt, they would leave the money anyway. Go into a restaurant and you get finished, you eat everything, and you find out, oh, they took care of the check, the manager did, because they like your presence. Maybe it's a crappy area. Maybe they just like you to be there because it increases the customer drive because people that go to that restaurant feel safe. Oorah. So you're there and they pick up the tab. Well, you could choose to leave your $2 tip or whatever it may be, or you could leave the full amount plus tip on the table and the waitress or waiter will love you forever. That's the way you don't end up owing. But if you fall into this trap of using somebody or somebody using you, in fact, to try to increase your business by sending you leads, and a lot of this is also online, talking about 99% of agents don't do this, only the top 1% of agents are successful. They're not saying those top 1% of agents are using this platform. The top 1% are agents out there, folks. Let's face it, they work their tails off. They probably door knocked every single house in this valley or whatever city we're talking about. They have that brand recognition, and to be frank, they probably take very good care of their clients. Hate to say it, but there's the magic. If you're going to be creating content, great. You don't have to tell everybody that you're getting an award. And maybe you got the award, But the award is if somebody gives me an award and it was a well-earned award, unsolicited award, I don't give anything back to this company to get the award. Somebody actually came out and said, you know what? This guy's doing a lot of content and it's good content. It's helpful content. We're going to give them an award with no ties to it, no connection, no nothing. That's probably a well-earned reward. But if they're giving it to you because you've signed on in a loyal fashion to be part of their networking group or whatever it may be, step back just a second and think, is this something I can learn? I've had to learn all the content creation myself. The subtitles here, I add those myself. Cutting this video up into thousands of shorts, I learned that myself. Scheduling the video to be released at particular times in the future, again, I learned that for myself. The content that I'm putting together, the content that has value, that doesn't detract from anything, but actually empowers people, gives them the tools required to make the best decisions, I plan that out. I script that. I write that and I talk about that to my clients and even other agents that I train in the process. The fact of the matter is this: people are only going to trust you if they believe in you. And if you go out and you ask them to trust you immediately, it doesn't work, because there's too much BS online for people to do that, for just to trust people because they're saying, trust me. Don't do it. Here's what you do. You build smart content. You put good things online. You talk about the market, and you talk about it without doing 50,000 takes. You just talk about it. This video, nothing's cut. I'm not going to pull out any of the pauses or anything, so you can see it's all the way through. There's no way I could read like this. This is coming from in here, all of it here, and it's coming to you. I'm Connor with Honor. If I can help you, let me know. This is the way it works in the world. Be safe, ladies and gentlemen. Take good care of each other, and ask for verification when you're watching for things. Ask where they're coming from. Why is so-and-so posting this? Where is this award coming from? What does this mean? It's not a bad thing to become more of a critical thinker than you ever have, especially today in the first week of 2005. Be well. We'll talk to you soon.